Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can make your GitHub profile attractive. So let's get started. The first step is to create a repository with the same name as your GitHub username. Go to GitHub, click on New, and name the repository exactly as your username, for example. Mine would be Sudiger. Next, make sure to check the option Add a README file before creating the repository. Once you do that, your repository is ready, using README generators. Now, let's generate a customized README file. Head over to Google and search for GitHub profile com. You'll find plenty of tools, choose any one you like. For this tutorial, let's use githubprofile.com. Enter all the details you want to showcase on your profile, such as bio, badges, or stats. Once done, click on Generate Profile. You'll then see a preview of what your profile will look like. When you're happy with it, click on Copy Code, customizing your README. Now go back to GitHub and open the repository you created earlier. Open the README file and click on Edit. Paste the copied code into the file and make any personal adjustments you'd like. After editing, commit the changes. Once saved, you can immediately see the updated README displayed on your GitHub profile. And that's it, you've successfully created a beautiful GitHub profile with a custom README. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.